Mom, it's too hot. Can I get something cold?
Can I make a lemon press for you?
No, Mom. Can we make an ice cream today, Mom?
Yes, let's make it.
Ingredients: 1 cup of water, mango, cashew, roasted oats powder and dates. Soak the cashews in the cup of water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water. Take the blender, add roasted powder and add cashews. Add half cup of water and blend it well. Add some dates to the blender for natural sweetness. Once you get creamy, add the roughly chopped mangoes. And all this well. The cream is ready. Pour the cream into the tray. Level the top. And sprinkle the cashews. Cover the top and freeze it overnight. It's been more than 8 hours. Come on, let's take the ice cream. Let's open it. Let's taste it. It's delicious. Let's have a quick recap. First, take the blender, add some oats powder and add soaked cashews. Then add some water and blend it well. Add dates for sweetness and blend it well. Finally, add the chopped mangoes and blend all together well. And you will get the creamy consistency. Pour it into the tray and level top it and sprinkle some cashews and cover it in the top and freeze it for overnight. The quality of this ice cream is we haven't used dairy products and we used dates for natural sweetness. For watching. Let's have a quick recap. First, take the blender, add some soaked cashews,